Okay, so the most important thing with bending new wooden ribs into a boat is you have to get a long grain timber, and you have to buy it fresh from the mill so it still has a good percentage of moisture inside it. What will happen is you put in your order and the mill will send you timber like this. It's just been milled, so you're going to have to grade it because it's never really quite accurate from the mill, and then dress it. So I've already done a few planks, so what I've also done is built a little swimming pool here, and while I'm waiting to get the steamer up and going, I've been soaking these battens in water to keep that moisture content in there. What will happen when the steam gets to the moisture that's in the ribs, it will superheat it, and that will make it flexible. So you want to keep it as moist as you possibly can. You can also tie it in a bundle and drop it deep into the river. But a little swimming pool like this works pretty well. And here's one I prepared earlier. There is a small section for a small bend, and that's been fully soaked. Once this is put into the steamer and steamed up for a couple or 3 hours, you will be able to bend it. At the moment, there's no bend in that, but you'll be amazed at the kind of bend you will be able to get after a few hours in the steam box.